Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel with a very new update. I'm making a smoothie for this summer season, especially because it's very hot outside and sometimes we feel bored of eating green salads. So today I'm going to make a very tasty and healthy recipe, and I'm using lots of protein today. I'm using almond milk, almond butter, chia seeds and some of the nuts. And because you want your if you want your smoothie to become a little thick in consistency and natural sweet taste, I'm using just only half banana. So friends, let us put all of these things in my blender. So this smoothie will taste very good, and so very good use of almond butter and chia seeds. As you all know, it is a very good source of calcium, omega-3 fatty acids, protein also, and lots of fiber also. And I'm using almond milk. Those who have some allergies to soya or milk, they can use almond butter, and otherwise you can use simple milk also. And I'm using these soaked nuts, almonds and walnuts, just to add some crunch into my smoothie. So let's get started. I'm going to put all these in my blender. I'm using this much of almond butter into my smoothie. It's 1.5 spoon. And I'm taking this much. It's about a full cup of almond milk. And some of the soaked almonds and walnuts. And I'm using 2 spoons of chia seeds. And half banana. And it's time to blend all of them. Smoothie is ready. It's very crunchy and you can munch it with very tasty chia seeds and dry fruits. It's very tasty and it will control your hunger for about 2 hours. So enjoy this drink and do subscribe my channel. If you like to see more updates, please press the bell icon